Welcome back to my channel. So today I am explaining you about the user interface design process. So let's get started. There are 14 steps for UID development. Step 1, know your user or client. Step 2, understand the business functions. Step 3, understand the principles of good screen design. Step 4, develop system menus and navigation schemes. Step 5, select the proper kinds of windows. Step 6, select the proper device-based controls. Step 7, choose the proper screen-based controls. Step 8, write clear text and messages. Step 9, provide effective feedback and guidance and assistance. Step 10, provide effective internationalization and accessibility. Step 11, create meaningful graphics, icons and images. Step 12, choose the proper colors. Step 13, organize and lay out windows and pages. And step 14 is test and retest. Obstacles are hurdles and pitfalls which are difficulties in the development path. Developing a computer system is never easy. The path is littered with obstacles and traps. God has made these general observations about design. Nobody ever gets it right at the first time. Development is chock full of surprises. Good design requires living in a sea of changes. Making contracts to ignore change will never eliminate the need for a change. Even if you have made the best system humanly possible, people will still make mistakes when using it. Designers need good tools, and you must have behavioral design goals like performance design goal. So nobody Conclusion: the first 5 conditions listed will occur naturally because people are people, both as users and developers. These kinds of behaviors must be understood and accepted in design. Pitfalls. Pitfall is a hidden or not easily recognized danger or a difficulty. Pitfalls in the design process exist because of a flawed design process, including a failure to address critical design issues, an improper focus of attention, or development team organization failures. So common pitfalls are no early analysis and understanding of the user's needs and expectations, a focus on using design features or components that are neat or glitzy, little or no creation of design element prototypes, no usability testing, no common design team vision of users interface design goals, poor communication between members of the development team. Design for the people, they have 5 commandments. Gain a complete knowledge, understanding of users and their tasks, solicit early and ongoing user involvement, perform rapid prototyping and testing, modify and iterate the design as much as necessary, and integrate the design of all the system components. Gain a complete understanding of users and their task means the users are the customers. Today, people expect a level of design sophistication from all interfaces, including websites. The product system or website must be geared to people's need, not those of the developers. A wide gap in technical abilities, goals, and attitudes often exists between users and developers. A failure to understand the differences will doom a product or a system failure. Solicit early and ongoing user involvement. Involving the users in design from the beginning provides a direct conduit to the knowledge they possess about jobs and tasks and needs, and perform a rapid prototyping and testing. Prototyping and testing the product will quickly identify problems and allow you to develop solutions. Thorough the testing is not performed before the product release. The testing will occur in the user's office, and encountering a series of problems early in the system use will create a negative first impression in the customer's mind. This may harden quickly, creating attitudes that may be difficult to change. Modify and iterate the design as much as necessary. While design will proceed through a series of stages, problems detected in one stage may force the developer to revisit a previous stage. This is normal and should be expected. And establish user performance and acceptance criteria and continue testing and modifying until all design goals are met. Integrate the design of all the system components, the software, the documentation, and the help function and training needs are all important elements of a graphical system or website, and all should be developed concurrently. A system is being constructed, not simply software. Concurrent development of all pieces will point out possibly problems earlier in the design process, allowing them to be more effectively addressed